Hello, my name is Harrison Stanley, and I'm a junior 3D artist at XR Games. I joined XR Games in April of 2022, so I've been here for about 5 months now. So in terms of how I got this job, I spent a good few months polishing my portfolio and then started applying to a bunch of different websites. Applied directly through XR Games website where they have all the job listings there. Then got the screening call back and then went my way through the interview process, and I'm here. Yeah, so in terms of my day-to-day process, I work as a 3D characterized. So I do a lot of the digital sculpting, retopologizing characters so they're all game ready, getting them baked down and then textured so they look all nice and pretty in the game. So I think the best thing about working at XR is that they treat you like a human. They, respect your time and your mentality and things like that. Game development is a long and difficult process, and XR management here, they respect that. And it goes a long way. I think it makes working here a nice place to be. So for any other artists out there looking to get in the games industry, my advice would be to, don't skimp out on the presentation of your work. I see a lot of stuff out there that looks really cool, the work is really solid, but the way they present it isn't quite there. I think people think of it as the last 10% of the project, when really I'd say it's a good 50%. So make sure you present your work in the best light, make it look really nice, and yeah, show off the work that you've done.